Understanding Delivery Date, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, delivery date. Whether you're shopping online, working in logistics, or just curious about English expressions, this video will clarify this common term for you. So, let's dive in. The term, delivery date, refers to a specific day when a package, letter, or shipment is expected to be delivered to its final destination. It's a crucial phrase in logistics, online shopping, and mail services. Understanding this term helps in planning and ensures effective communication in various contexts, especially in business and personal shipping. In this section, we'll see how delivery date is used in different scenarios. 1. Online shopping. When you order something online, the website often provides an estimated delivery date, informing you when you can expect to receive your order. 2. Business logistics. Companies that ship goods use the delivery date to inform customers or other businesses when their goods will arrive. 3. Personal mail. When sending a letter or parcel, postal services may tell you the delivery date, indicating when the recipient will receive it. Understanding these contexts helps in managing expectations and scheduling related activities. The accuracy of a delivery date is essential. It affects customer satisfaction in online shopping and the efficiency of supply chains in business. Delays or inaccuracies in delivery dates can lead to frustration and complications. Hence, being aware of the expected delivery date and its reliability is important. And that's all about delivery date. We hope this video has helped clarify what this term means and how it's used in different contexts. Remember, understanding such specific phrases can significantly improve your English language skills, especially in practical situations. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful English learning content.